Well, another day out here in this snow, bro. Check it out. Look how much, man. Look how much, dude. This fucking man. Thank God it melted so much, though. Snowy. Look at this guy's mountain full of snow, man. This got a small driveway, man. But anyways, I cannot believe it, man. It's so windy and snowy. Yeah, no, get inside. I am gonna get inside. I gotta go shopping next time again too, so, but it is getting colder and it's windier, so it's gonna be cool, man. Too much snow, dude. Yeah, man, one snow is really big and the other one isn't. So, but let me get a little close up here, you know. How you guys doing? How are you? I know, right? Woo.